Hello everyone! How are you guys? It's me, Malu, once again. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today's video, I am going to cook again. I'm going to make a ginisang munggo with shrimp and spinach, guys. Alright? Normally, I make munggo with pork, you know. But this time, I'm gonna do it ginisang munggo with shrimp and spinach, guys. Alright? So, para maiba naman. Samahan niyo ko, guys. We are going to cook again our munggo beans, guys. Half a kilo of munggo that we are going to boil first para lumambot. And these are the rest of the ingredients that I am going to prepare. So that's spinach, shrimp that I need to clean, tomato, garlic, and onion. So we are going to prepare it all, guys. Habang hinaantay natin yung munggo, guys, na lumambot. And guys, are the heads. I'm gonna boil it to make a stock. So here are all the ingredients for our ginisang munggo with shrimp and spinach. That's the munggo that I already boiled, guys. And that's the stock from the head of the shrimp, tomato, garlic, red onions, spinach, shrimp that I already cleaned up, nor cubes, salt and pepper, and oil, guys. Alright, so we're ready to cook now our ginisang munggo with shrimp and spinach. Guys, my eldest son requested this. Let's go and start cooking now, guys. Okay, so this looks yummy, guys. Look at that munggo there. I forgot pala, guys, we have to use the butter to fry the shrimp first. We will put our shrimp. I need to put a little bit of salt. Now that it's cooked, guys, we have to set it aside, our shrimp. We will add a little bit of oil. We'll put our garlic. Then let's add our onion, red onions. Add our tomato. Let's add salt, guys. Black pepper. Let's add our nor cubes. Smells good. We will add now our spinach, guys. And then we will add our shrimp, guys. Look at that. Yummy. Our ginisang munggo with shrimp and spinach. Then we will add our munggo Then we will add our stock from the head shrimp. There. Alright guys, so we will just wait until it simmer. And then yun na, just that easy to cook Munngo. Wow, yummy. Smells good. Alright, so it's cooked now, guys. Okay, ready to eat.
I love Munngo. Thanks, Mom.
Ginisang munggo with shrimp and
I've never had Munngo with shrimp,
spinach.
to be honest. But, hey, spinach. I
Yeah.
think you had me at spinach.
Shrimp.
I wasn't sure about with the shrimp, but it's pretty good.
Ayun guys, so my boys done eating with the food that I made. So I hope you like this video, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated every time I posted a new video, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.